umambo wako hwapera. Zarabina mashoko anomudaitwa panguva ine advocate Tavani Mopofu following the leaking of the audios. Auya panguva ine nyazoratidza kuti yes, the ruling party ZANU-PF inozama kunge as if everything is fine, as if they are united, but the same people wamunoona attending my events, my weddings and the likes, they are at odds. Those people panguva ine, they are fighting and battling for power. Zarapena mashoko mudanyikwa panguva ine advocate Tavani Mopofu and subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anoposta this picture murikona rakanzi umambo wako wapera mudanyira chiti. You have now listened to the audio. It contains things you already know, things that have kept you enraged for all this time. Your anger does not matter because you did not fight in the liberation struggle, and according to the ruling party, you are considered sellout. Suck it up. What I, however, want to know is this: why do the contents of that audio not matter to ZANU-PF and to those who fought in the liberation war? Why are you comfortable with an alleged ZANU-PF member openly claiming that he can take over government without your support? To all concerned, why is it that this man cannot produce his own wealth, but instead only want to take what belongs to other people or to the state? How long are you going to tolerate this? And when exactly will this become a problem for you? Ndo Tsambayada Chinyorwa panguva ine kuZANU-PF chinzi, why is it you do not take action? Kune vanhu vanoonekwa vachita zvinhu zvakadai, anoclaima kuti aiwa inini I run Zimbabwe, I own Zimbabwe, vachibuda pachena vachitaura ma-utterances akadai. Ngotidzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Angoda comment section yedu dzafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, wachiri on the bell icon.